certainly a better, more viable opportunity than changing your entire manufacturing situation is to take a pipe. This looks like about 1/4 of an inch diameter, 9mm by about 30mm pipe of any sort. This is iron pipe, steel, very light, and simply stick that in there. As you can see, if we jam that in there, right, and then flip it over, we have the problem solved. So even when you open it, right, it ain't gonna go in too deep and can be nicely grasped by the sides. Right? So like I said, rather than changing your whole manufacturing setup because of a monkey like me, and do a cutout there, use a pipe, stick that in there, and Bob's your uncle. Eh? And Terry is not your aunt.